Today's video, we're gonna take a look at what it takes to run an open mic. This venue has a nice large back room that they host all their live music in, and occasionally they will host an open mic. I'll be helping out a couple of friends of mine set up for tonight, but I will not be running the event. And our sound engineer has arrived. Jaycen will be doing sound tonight. The stage lights are controlled by this Rockville DMX controller. And the mixer is the good old tried and true X32 console. This console is in so many venues, and if you know how to use the X32 and the M32, you can do a lot of jobs. The house subs are the KS118s, and then they have a couple of K12.2s hanging from the ceiling. Apparently the last drummer that played here didn't feel the need to clean up his mess. And now our host has arrived. This is Dakota, and I'm gonna help him load up some gear. For this event, not only are they supplying the location and the sound system, they like to provide musicians with most of the equipment they're gonna be using throughout the night. Jaycen wants to test these drops. I've seen these advertised online. What they're supposed to do is tighten up the drum and make it not sustain and have as much overtones. I guess we'll see how they do.
Maybe kills a little bit of like the back end.
A lot of times they will supply a guitar modeling pedal. In this case, we're using a head rush tonight. The other guitar setup's a little bit different. The brains is gonna be the Tonex, and it's gonna be supported by a bunch of other regular pedals. They are also supplying a couple guitars and a bass. We'll be using a Mark bass amp and using the direct out to go to the soundboard. And with that, the stage is all set and ready for the event.
We're putting this together. I'm pretty sure we've all heard this tune before. We're going to give it a shot. But again, if you want to get up on stage, you just got to go through me. It's real simple. You boys, we're ready? We're okay? You've never done this. Are you nervous? Never done this song. It's super exciting. How many times have you been on stage? Have you?
What Dakota does is he tries to make it a fun and friendly environment for musicians who've played a lot or who've played very little to enjoy the night and play together.
1 to 10. Okay. That's good. We'll call this 13. I like it. Okay. It does start with some dirty hip hop drums, so I got this.
The format for this open mic is a little bit different than other ones that I've seen where they have singer-songwriters that sign up for a specific time. This is more about just getting musicians together to play common songs they all know. Everybody's welcome to play though. Having a dedicated sound person's nice because they can help you get your monitor set because there's just rotating musicians all night. While people are playing, Dakota's going around introducing himself to people, finding out if they have a song they want to play or if they need to be paired up with other players. you can see it takes a lot of work to pull off an open mic, especially when there's a full band involved. The sound person's busy all night, and the host is making sure everybody's having a great time. But the really cool thing about open mics like this is a lot of times you meet new people, and some of these people actually go on to form bands and play together. Thanks for joining me for this video, and I hope the next time you see an open mic, you think about attending.